Every other day we hear about a new electric skateboard. A longer one, a shorter one, a cheaper one, an off-road one. Okay, actually this one was really cool. So how can this one be so special and different from the other ones? Now this invention may completely change the world of electric skateboards. It allows you to transform any skateboard into an e-board simply by installing this little metal plate here. Now let me get straight into it and show you how it works. The Unported detachable skateboard power device. This thing will blow your mind. It's pretty easy to set up. To start, you need a skateboard or a longboard. Any style or shape, it doesn't matter. The first step is to attach this little connector plate to the rear truck of your board. A toolkit and longer bolts come with the funding board, so you can easily attach the plate to the truck. Once the plate is installed, you're almost done. Actually, I should have started with first, make sure to fully charge this battery and this remote control. So now that you have that little plate attached to your board and a fully charged battery and remote control, all you need to do is to slide the motor and wheels unit behind the wheels of your skateboard until it clicks. Then, slide the battery holder over here in front of the wheels until it clicks as well. Then, connect the two cables from the motor and wheels unit to the battery holder like this. Finally, insert the battery in here and pull that little ring to allow the battery to fully slide in and lock in completely. And there you go, your skateboard is now an e-board. Let's give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna test this thing now, but since I'm not really a skateboarder, my friend Sergey here is gonna help us really push the limits of this thing and see what it can do. All right, let's give it a try. This detachable device will allow your skateboard to go up to 33 kilometers per hour without one single push. And with one full charge, you will be able to go as far as 17 kilometers. The battery takes a little bit less than 2 hours to fully charge. And having this detachable battery gives the funding board way more range. With any other regular electric skateboard, you can only go as far as the battery takes you. And then you need to find a place to charge it, wait until it's charged to get back on it. Not with this one. With the funding board, you can simply get an extra battery, carry it with you, and you can simply swap when one is empty and then keep going. Another cool thing about this device is that if you have more than one board, you just need to get extra connector plates like this one, and you can transform any of your boards into e-boards whenever you feel like it. And I just spoke to the people at Funding Board, and they agreed to include a second plate like this one for every purchase of the Funding Board at geekbuying.com. Now tell me this is not a cool invention. Now if you want to know more about the Funding Board, or even buy one, you'll find the link in the description below. And I really recommend that you subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of cool products coming up. You can click right here to subscribe to our channel, or right here to see our latest video. And I'll catch you later.